In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove table format in Google Sheets. If you started with a smart table and now just want a plain grid you can edit freely, this is quick and safe to do. Google Sheets tables add helpful behavior like automatic column types, grouping, and special headers, but they also introduce structure that you might not need for simple editing. The goal here is to remove the table formatting and logic while keeping all of your data exactly where it is. First, click anywhere inside your table. It doesn't matter if it's a header or a data cell, as long as your cursor is within the table's boundaries. When you do, look along the top of the sheet for the table menu. You'll usually see a label like Table 1 or whatever name the table was given. If you don't see that label, double-check that you clicked inside the table and not in an empty cell nearby. From the drop-down, simply select Revert to Unformatted Data. This one action removes the special table logic, the automatic column types, and any group settings the table was using, but keeps your text exactly where it is. Your values stay in the same cells, your layout remains intact, and you can continue working just like you would in any regular sheet. Think of it as peeling away the smart layer while preserving the actual contents. Now you're back to a clean, standard spreadsheet. You'll notice the table-specific menu and behavior are gone, and each cell behaves independently, just like a normal range. A few quick tips to make this smoother. If you change your mind right after reverting, use undo to bring the table back instantly. If you rely on any table-generated grouping or automatic typing, plan to recreate only what you need using standard sheet tools. And if you're working on something important, consider making a quick copy of your sheet first so you can compare versions. That's all it takes. By clicking inside the table, opening the table menu, and choosing Revert to Unformatted Data, you return your smart table to a simple range without losing data. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your cleaner, more flexible spreadsheet.